Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be the last video on this little item. If you remember, I uh, I had to make a boundary of this, so this is a group of items. We're just going to make a duplicate and move it over, and then I'm going to left click, right click, just so you can see. And my mentor, Roy Brewer, my main mentor, I had to fill in these gaps so the boundary tool would not leak into them. But he kind of reminded me these are different groups of items. Let's tell you what, let's open up the contour docker, and you see that it's grayed out because there's nothing happening. And even if you select them all, it's grayed out. But if you go to object and group it together, it becomes open. And then we could contour just point one. We could go ahead and do it in black because we can always change it. And the contour tool is going to skip those places. So just go to object, break the contour apart. You can move it out of the way. And we don't want to cut out those interior lines, so we'll go to object, break curve apart, take our outside object and make it red, and then move it back over and then delete these. Now you have a contour much better than any other way to do it. So I thank him for that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.